Hello guys, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Home. In this video, we'll have a look at YDM4109 plus Yale Door lock. Using this model of a smart door lock, it can be controlled by pin code, fingerprint, and mechanical key. Using this model of door lock, zigbee or Bluetooth is optional. By inserting or let's say installing zigbee or Z-Wave module into the door lock, you can add it to your smart home and control it via a smart application. This model also supports one-time code. Stay with me to have a close look at this door lock and to see how you can use this one. By the way, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button and motivate me to upload more videos about smart devices. Thank you. This is the outside panel of YDM4109 Plus. Here you can see the fingerprint sensor. This is the pin code panel and the mechanical key. In case your batteries die, you can use this connector to control this door lock. This is the inside panel. You can lock it or unlock it. By using this item, you can force the lock to be locked. By removing the battery cover, we have the volume of the voice guide, the auto or manual mode, the I button. I button is used for setting pin codes and so on. Here you can insert a zigbee module or Z-Wave. When it is forced to be locked from inside, the internal force lock. You cannot unlock it. This door lock has sensor. When the door is closed, this item is pushed inside and it is locked automatically. In case the lock is broken, it has a siren inside the lock and it goes off. If it's the first time you want to start using this model of door lock, you have to set a user pin code. For doing so, you must press the I button.
Enter a 4 to 10-digit user code. Then press the R button to complete, or press star to register fingerprints.
As it has voice guide, you have to enter 4 to 10-digit user pin code. By pressing I,
Completed.
it is set. You can use this model of door lock in two modes, normal mode and advanced mode. By default, it is set to normal mode. I suggest you use this model in advanced mode as it has better security. How to enter this model of door lock into advanced mode? I enter the user pin code, then press I button.
Menu options. Enter the number.
It enters to the menu of door lock. Then I press 4.
Lock setting. Press the hash to continue.
press the hash to continue.
Options. Enter the number.
1, then hash.
Enter a 4 to 10 digits master code. Then press the hash to
You
continue.
have to enter a master PIN code, 4 to 10 digit. It is confirmed by pressing hash,
Master code to verify. Then press the R button to complete.
re-entering the master PIN code, then pressing the I button. Now the lock is in advanced mode.
Completed.
How to set PIN codes or fingerprint? I enter the master PIN code, then press I button.
Menu options. Enter the number.
It enters to the menu of the door lock. By pressing 1,
The master code.
we can change the master code. By pressing 2,
Registering user codes. Press the hash to continue.
you can register user PIN code. I press hash button.
Press 1 to register a user code. Press 3 to delete a user code.
By pressing 1, you can add PIN codes. By pressing 3, you can delete. I press 1, then hash.
Enter the number of the user to register the user number, not the code. Then press the hash to continue.
You have to set a number for PIN codes. I enter 2, then hash.
Enter a 4 to 10 digits user code. Then press
I enter the user code, then press hash button.
completed. Press the star for an additional registration. Or press the R button to finish.
Easily PIN code is added. By pressing a star,
Enter the number.
you can go to previous menus.
Enter the number.
For entering fingerprint, you have to select 3.
Registering fingerprint. Press 1 to register a fingerprint. Press 3.
By pressing 1 and then hash,
Enter the number of the user to register the user number.
you have to enter the number of fingerprint, then press hash.
Swipe your finger 3 times in a row.
You have to swipe your finger 3 times in a row.
The fingerprint is registered for the first time. Swipe the same fingerprint again. The fingerprint is registered for the second time. Swipe the same fingerprint again. Completed. Press the star for an additional registration. Or press the R button to finish.
I press the I button to finish. This model supports one-time PIN code. Let's show you how you can set one-time PIN code. I enter master PIN code, then press I.
Menu options. Enter the number.
By selecting 4
Registering the one-time code.
and selecting hash button,
Press 1 to register a code.
you can register one-time PIN code by selecting 1,
Register a one-time
then
code.
hash.
Press the hash to continue. Enter only 4 digits one-time code. Then press the hash to continue.
I entered the one-time PIN code and pressed hash.
Press the star for setting other options.
It is completed.
Press the R button to finish. Press 1. Menu. Menu mode has been cancelled.
You can easily delete PIN codes or fingerprint. The procedure is the same. I enter master PIN code, then press I button.
Menu options.
For deleting PIN code, I select 2. For fingerprint, I select 3. I select 2, then hash.
Press 1 to register a user code. Press 3 to delete a user code.
For deleting, I select 3, then hash.
Enter the number of the user to delete.
I enter the number of user PIN code that I want to delete it. 2. Then I confirm it by selecting hash.
Completed. Press the star for an additional deletion or press the R button to finish.
Easily, PIN code is deleted.
Completed.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye bye.